Hey y'all, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to install one of Studio Mommy's Kadence themes. I'm going to follow through the steps on the tutorials page that you see here. So before we get started, the first thing you'll want to look for is if you have the Classic Editor installed. Our themes will not work if you have the Classic Editor plugin. So to find this, from your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, and then look for the Classic Editor here. If you see it, you want to click on Deactivate and then click Delete to remove that. The next thing it goes over is that your all of the Studio Mommy Kadence themes are using the newest plugins and WordPress. So if your site has any updates that need to be done, please do those updates next. What you'll do is click over here where it says Dashboard and then click on Updates. And if you see any updates that need to be done, you can do those updates in this area here. And then lastly, if you currently have an existing site, you've been using this site for more than 6 months to a year, you might want to have a backup of it just in case something happens or goes wrong. I haven't had an issue with a customer installing one of my themes before, but it's always good just to have a backup of your site just in case. So to get started, we first need to install the Kadence theme. So we're going to click on Appearance and then click right here where it says Add New Theme. And then you're looking for this Kadence theme here. If you do not see this Kadence theme, just type in Kadence here and then click on Install. And then you're going to click on Activate. The next step, it tells us we need to install this AI-powered starter template from Kadence. And that's a plugin. So we're going to go back to our dashboard. We're going to click on Plugins. And then we're going to click on Add New Plugin. And then here's where we're going to type in that AI-powered starter templates. And it's this one right here that's by Kadence WP. So we're going to click on Install. And then we're going to click on Activate. Step 3 tells us to go ahead and install the Studio Mommy's theme. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to go back to our WordPress dashboard. We're going to click on Appearance. Click on Add New Theme. Click on Upload Theme. So the Studio Mommy's theme should be saved to your computer. It's what you downloaded after you purchased it from either from an Etsy site or from my website. This should be saved in your computer. It also should be in a zip file. You'll click on Browse. And then I'm going to move this down. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to use the Find the Joy theme. And I'm going to click on Open. And you see how it says findthejoy.zip? We want to make sure that folder is zipped or it will not install. If it does not say zipped, please look in the troubleshoot section of the tutorials page and it will give you more information. And so once we have this uploaded, we want to click, we want to click Install Now. And then we want to click Activate. Then from there, after we installed the Studio Mommy's theme, we want to scroll down and now we're installing the demo content. So really quick, if you have an RSS feed, then you might want to pause that feed until after you install the theme and delete the demo posts that will be installed on your site. If you do not know what an RSS feed is, then you more than likely do not have it, so you don't have to worry about it. The RSS feed is the feed that connects to your newsletter subscription service, where it will automatically publish to your visitors who have subscribed to your site. So that way they receive new posts as you create them on your site. But if you're not familiar with that or not familiar with RSS feeds, then more than likely you don't have it, so you don't have to worry about it. So now we're going to install the demo content. So the next step says to click on Site Assist and then Starter Templates. So we're going to go back to our theme, and up at the top left you will see Site Assist and then click on Starter Templates. And then you should see your theme's image that you purchased right here. If you don't, up at the top right corner right here, you would click on that drop down and you would choose Studio Mommy here. If you don't see your theme's image, then you probably are under the Kadence AI or the block editor. So just be sure to click Studio Mommy, and then you should see your theme's template right here. So then you'll click on that image. And then up at the top right, click Finish and Launch. And then click Start Importing. So this can take a few minutes. It just depends on how much it needs to upload, how quickly your internet connection is, also how fast your hosting account is on your site. So this might take a few minutes to get it uploaded. And then once it does, you will see a button that says to view your site. And so we're just going to give this a few minutes to get this uploaded. This is the Find the Joy demo site. So this may take a little longer because it is one of my premium themes to upload. So it does have more additional pages and images that need to be added to the site. Okay, so from here we're going to click on See My Site. And then that is the Find the Joy demo site that I have uploaded. And then if you have any questions or get stuck, view those troubleshoot messages or down here, let me see, down here at the very bottom of the site, there's some troubleshoot suggestions here, or at the very top of the site where it says troubleshoot, you can click there for more additional troubleshooting. But if you have any questions or get stuck, just send me a message and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as I can to help you get it resolved. Okay, thanks.